Many forests are disappearing with a terrible rate because of human activities. Green disappears in red color of fire, replaced by building cities and fields, which economy can't development. Deforestation become more and more difficult to control. Everlands have been established for years. How many rare plants have been cut down because of poachers who just wanted money for their own and ignored the nature? Uncountable.
From 1990 to 2050, we lost 128 million hectares, an alarmingly number. This figure continues to grow up intensely, succeed in reaching 80% of forest area on Earth, a result of drought and wildfire. Thanks to palm oil exploding also. Due to the rapid rate of forest decline, the large number of creatures live in forests are losing its habitat, which can result in extinction of many species. Within 40 years, the number of wild animals has been decreased about 58%, which can reach to 67% in 2020. Animals in the meadows and steppes are the most affected victim. Next is in the jungle. It can be said that human beings are changing the environment in a bad way.
Not only terrestrial animals have to deal with the complicated consequences, the sea-living ones also make the same problem. They are facing plastic pollution, which makes 100 million marine creatures die every year. According to the United Nations Organization, UNO, at least 800 species all over the world are affected by rainment in the ocean. About 80% of which are plastic waste. Fish, total marine bird, and rare marine mammal can be stuck in or in gases flooded the fish, which cause suffocation and starvation. Besides plastic pollution, marine ecosystems are being killed with overfishing and oil spill from human beings.
Ozone dead zone expand rapidly, which considered as a part of global warming resource. Living the same planet, we share the same problem. Hotter and hotter weather is the most urgent situation that both the marine and land species, including human, are sticking in. Last year, the world had witnessed two ineffable fierce wildfires. After the unbelievable disaster, Amazon was horribly destroyed. About 265 species of animals and plants are in case of emergency, 124 of which are endemic. From another continent, wildfire in Australia killed 500 million animals, which also make a famous koala functionally extinct. Arctic sea ice thinned significantly over the half-past century. Its extent has declined by about 10% in the past 30 years, causing even trouble in human life.
Global warming, the main cause of wildfire, climate change, ice melting, and death zone, is now threatening humanity. We have done many terrible things to Earth, and those are what is throwing back to us, which we are going to suffer without anybody to blame except ourselves, the human being. It seems like now it's our planet turn to revenge. If we hurt nature, we are hurting ourselves. We must stop killing our planet. Act now.